Slow takeoff, baby. Landing gear in. This is CH53 Sea Stallion inspired SkyMule X480, baby. One of my best works. Of course, after one of my another best work sitting right there on the ground, the Mi-24 Hind inspired RC helicopter. Actually, I worked on both of these helicopters for more than a month, and I'm really happy that they both turn out, mashallah, beautiful. They fly really well, they look really nice, and both of these helicopters have retracts. Battery must be dying. Let's land this baby. Ah, nice cool wind, man. SkyMule X480, people. Now, we have saved enough lives of the pigeons and stopped them from, you know, migrating. Let's fly the Warcroc X470, the Hind inspired gunship, and let the pigeons pack their bags for migration again. And once they will do, we will fly the SkyMule and bring them back home.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild,